You guys probably want to design Discord sidebar with its animations. So let me show you how you can do that in Figma. Let's get started. So this is our Figma. So let's take a frame for now. Let's press F and we do have this MacBook Pro 16-inch. Let's get this one and let's give this a background color of maybe this. Since we are going to do everything according to Discord, so this is their background color for it. So now in order to make the sidebar, let's take one more frame, press F and let's get this frame. So we'll get this a height of similar one, similar to the main frame. So we'll just left align this and center, and we'll give this a background color of this, which is default, which is background color of Discord. So let's start with the Discord icon first. So we are going to take a what do we call a frame for now. Let's take a frame and then we'll give this a height and width of 70 pixels, and let's get this Discord icon. We'll choose ʟᴇᴛ'𴜱 plugin to get that. I guess let's get this one. So let's give this a background of this instead of white, and this instead of blue. So we'll make this round. So in order to make the round, we need to do a 50% of height width. So it's 70 currently, so we need to do it at least 35 in order to make it round. So I guess it is good now. Now let's take one more frame onto this. Let's press Ctrl Alt G in order to get a new frame. So let's name this first. Let's name this as logo, and name and choose this as maybe default. Let's increase its height and width to 100 pixels, and now center this. Now make a rectangle and somewhere around this. Let's get the height of 5 pixels. We'll round this and this corner. Alright, so I guess this is it. So now we need to duplicate it 2 more times. And now we'll do what is that, we will select all these and create multiple components out of these and combine as variants. And let's name this as Discord logo. this is our default, and we'll name this as hover, and this as clicked. Don't worry, we are going to change everything now, and we'll change its border radius from 35 to 24, and at first this rectangle will not be visible, so let's just get this out of the frame by clicking on clip content. So now let's change the color of on hover mode. So let's change its color to this, and the color of these two to white, and we'll also change the color of these two to white, and the color of this to the same blue. Let's copy the border radius and paste it right here. We will just increase the height of this rectangle. So these are our states. This is our default mode, this is our hover mode, and this is our clicked. Let's go to prototype and do the same. This will be on hover, smart animate, ease in and out, and 150 milliseconds. And let's do this to on click, smart animate, and these settings are correct. So we do have now Discord logo. So what we are going to do is that we just need to paste it right here in order to put this in our design. So there are two methods. Either you can take an instance from this, or you can go to assets and get it from here. You can even search it here, Discord logo. Okay, so just paste it here. This is our 100 width, so let's select 100 width. So let's prototype this. Yes, as you can see that it is working fine. So now we have the server logos, but before that we also have a rectangle. So let's just draw this here. Now we need to just copy this one, and we need some logos. I do have a component of logos, icons. You can get these icons from a plugin called ʟᴇᴛ'ᴜ. This is the plugin that I use to get these icons. ʟᴇᴛ'ᴜ is the plugin name. So you just need to go there, and yeah, these are the icons. I already have the component of it. You just have to create those from that plugin. I have also named the variants as 1 2 3 4 5 6, and these are the icons, 9 icons. So what we'll do is that we'll just name this rename the duplicated layer from Discord logo to maybe server logos. So let's just get an icon from here and paste it here. So this is our rectangle which was hidden, so we will just left align this and increase its height a bit. Now these are the server logos. Now we will just grab a instance from this and paste it right here. We will also create an auto layout out of this. Let's press Shift A, and this is an auto layout now. Server logos. Now I'll just click on this and duplicate it multiple times. Now vertical align this and decrease its gap from 8 to 0. And just change the logo. So these are our 9 server logos. You can always get more logos in order to create more server icons, more server buttons. So this was it. So now we will go ahead and create other buttons now. So let's create add server button now. We'll again go to what we call icon and search for plus icon. Let's get this icon. So this is the default color which is of Discord. So now let's get this icon again. and paste it here and remove the other component. Now we need to change the color from blue to this. We actually don't need two, we just need like 2 buttons now. Let's hide this button rectangle, and we also don't need this one. We can even remove them, so let's remove. So this is our add server button. Let's prototype this. This would be on hover, so this would not be on hover, actually this would be on click. Or let's do it on hover. Let's just get an instance out of it. As you can see that it is working nicely. So now at the end we have this explore server button. So let's also create that. Let's duplicate this server logos button, a component, and let's search again on the ⴇᴛ'𴜱 plugin. This is explore. Now we need to get an icon. I guess this icon is very similar to the one Discord has, so let's get this icon. Now we'll just enlarge it a bit, maybe 35, and get this right here and remove this icon. Now we will hide this and change its color, and black would not be there, instead of green would be there, and let's change from blue to this green, and from black to white. Let's change this blue to green and black to white. Okay, this is our explore server. So these are our components. Let's just get an instance out of it. So instead of clip icon, we'll just let's check if the prototype is made correctly or not. Yes, I think it is. Alright, so these are our buttons. So let's just click on this, clip content, and we'll go to prototype, and this should be a vertical scrolling in order to scroll. So now let's clip content of it. As you can see that we have these components. Let's align them all. Let's select them, tidy up, and this. So we do have these components. This is for the logo, as you can see here. This is for the server logos. This is for adding the server, and this is for the exploring server, which all you can see right here. Let's reload them. As you can see that we have this. So I will be providing you this file, and you can get this from the link given in the description below. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you can. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.